What's going on, everybody? Today I got a BAM box, and this is BAM Horror, so let's open it up and see what we got today. This is November's box, so let's check it out. Alright, there's the famous BAM paper. Alright, we got a pin here. This is Alfred Hitchcock, if you could see that. And let's see what we got here. This is a card. This looks like Buffalo Bill from Silence of the Lambs. We have a scratcher card. Scratch that later. This looks like the Invisible Man, or isn't that what it is? The Invisible Man. It's kind of cool. Looks like a little kid, obviously. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got a signed picture. This is from the movie The Cell. It's a, let's see, it's number 340 out of 2,200. And let's see what else we got. We got a signed autograph. This is from the movie Insidious. This looks pretty cool. Yeah. This is really nice. And let's see. Here's November's little flyer. It tells you the different items that it was. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be posting a video tomorrow about eating the world's hottest gummy bear. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.